Xiaomi is gearing up to launch its Xiaomi 17 tomorrow in China. The phone's lineup includes the standard Xiaomi 17, the Xiaomi 17 Pro, and the Xiaomi 17 Pro Max, and they will be the first to be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chipset. The entire rear camera housing of the Xiaomi 17 Pro and 17 Pro Max is replaced with a functional secondary screen. This screen is expected to support notifications, time display, multitasking, AI interactions, and cross-device functions, expanding on the small secondary display seen earlier in the Xiaomi Mi 11 Ultra. The Pro series maintains Leica branding on the back, continuing the company's partnership for imaging. The rear camera layout has 3 lenses. The Pro Max shares most of its camera system with the Pro. That includes a 50MP main sensor and a wide ultra-wide lens with a 17mm focal length. Offer 5x optical zoom. The Xiaomi 17 Pro will feature a 6.3-inch AMOLED panel with 1.5K resolution, 1 to 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate, and a 6,300 mAh battery supporting 100W wired and 50W wireless charging. The larger Xiaomi 17 Pro Max is said to carry a 6.8-inch 2K display with 94% screen-to-body ratio and a 7,500 mAh battery. Xiaomi 17 Pro Max will come with support for 100W wired fast charging. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.